keep improving. We divide our sales service team into many different regions. Different team takes charge of customers from different regions of the world. As time goes by, they really become more and more professional and experienced. They know more about the customer's need and the market demand.
MakeBot, the world's first 3D printer manufacturer. They started the first cooperation with us about 8 years ago.
We also have strict quality control throughout all stages of production, totally about 4 times before shipment, because we want to supply only good quality products to our customers and end users. Even before shipping, our staff may send photos of every details to our customers.